How to use a credit card without paying interest. And yes, this is possible because I've mentioned some of the ways which you can just avoid complete interest, right? The very first thing is the best and most effective, that pay your balance in full each month before the due date, right? The next thing is use 0% APR introductory offers. Most of the time many credit card offers this on the new purchase for a set period of typically 12 to 15 or 12 to 20 months, as long as you pay off the balance before the promotional period ends. You can just avoid the interest charges during that time. Now the third thing is consolidate debt with a balance transfer card. So you can basically, with the existing credit card debt, you can transfer the balance to a card with a 0% APR on the balance transfer, and this just give you a little bit of time to pay off your debt without accruing additional interest. The next thing is avoid cash advance, right? So this is a really bad for credit card. Typically do not have a grace period and incur interest immediately, often at a higher rate than regular purchase. So it's best that you avoid this. Now the last two thing is that use budgeting apps. Yeah, most of the people doesn't, they just use it for the first week or 2 weeks, and then it's they don't get habitual about this. But you need to know that where your money is spending and from where it's coming, right? That is very important. Now the last thing is consider debt consolidations loan. Personal loans with a lower interest rate than your credit card can be used to consolidate and pay off credit card balance, helping you avoid high credit charge, or basically high credit card interest, right? The key is to the strategic and how you can use your own credit card, pay balance in full when possible, and leverage 0% APR promotion. This allow you to take advantage of credit card without getting trapped in a cycle of credit card interest. I hope that you got the complete information about this. If you found this video very useful, subscribe.